One thing that's been really great is that I've had the opportunity to collaborate with the team of staff scholars at the PRI. I've been able to invite and collaborate with the staff within my classroom, and it's been very exciting for students to meet people whose work and daily engagement is in the climate education field.
I always appreciate when we can go to a professional development workshop that's run at PRI or run by folks at PRI. There's an introduction that I remember that is just really incredible of how much carbon is in a gallon of gas, and that equates to the amount of carbon that's in an 8-foot 2x4. There's just so many places where they give you examples to connect things that are hard to imagine, and they give you just very real-world ways of looking at things, and that's threaded throughout their professional development workshops.
One area that I really like is the frequently asked questions, because students have a lot of questions, recurring ones that are common among everyone, and those really are short and accessible but informative. Students learn a lot from them.
Another resource that I really appreciate is the climate change proxies, and that resource is in the online version of the climate change exhibit. It covers scale really well, and it looks at a number of different proxies, from shells to ice cores, and it really does a nice job of making something that's very hard to understand tangible. I have used the teacher-friendly guide to climate change since it was published. In fact, I have a course called the Earth Science of Climate Change, and I structured that course around the way that curriculum is structured.
PRI's resources have been really a useful way to inform and engage my students in learning about climate and also about taking action. There's some great videos about investigations. Even in a social studies class, some students were really intrigued with the idea of how much carbon is absorbed through the trees, and being able to watch that fun video and going out and measuring and doing some investigation themselves is very exciting. So I think it's not only for climate science information, but also looking at what you can do to make a difference.